Modern Toyota vehicles offer multiple ways to tune your radio, combining traditional physical controls with advanced digital features. First, let's look at the traditional physical controls that Toyota has retained for safety and ease of use while driving. Modern Toyota touchscreen systems provide several digital methods for tuning your radio with enhanced convenience and functionality. Toyota vehicles from 2020 onwards include advanced voice recognition for hands-free radio control, improving both safety and convenience. Wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay are now standard in most new Toyota models, reducing reliance on traditional radio tuning by integrating your smartphone seamlessly. HD radio technology is now standard across most Toyota models, providing crystal clear digital audio quality and additional subchannels for more listening options. Toyota's radio systems combine the best of traditional and modern technology, giving you multiple convenient ways to access your favorite audio content while maintaining focus on safety and ease of use. Setting up radio presets in your Toyota is simple and can be done in two quick ways. The fastest method is the long press technique. Alternatively, you can use the menu method by accessing audio settings and manually assigning stations to preset numbers. This gives you more control over your preset organization. For optimal radio reception, ensure your antenna is fully extended and undamaged. Switch between AM and FM based on your location and distance from radio transmitters. HD radio technology provides significantly clearer digital audio quality and access to additional subchannels. Most modern Toyota vehicles include this feature as standard equipment. Modern Toyota audio multimedia systems feature enhanced voice recognition for hands-free radio tuning. Simply say commands like tune to 101.5 or scan radio stations for easy control. Toyota vehicles now integrate seamlessly with streaming services like SiriusXM, Spotify, and Pandora. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto provide wireless connectivity for your favorite apps. The latest 2024 and newer Toyota models feature Amazon Alexa integration for enhanced voice radio control, along with over-the-air updates that continuously improve your infotainment experience. These modern solutions make Toyota radio systems more intuitive and connected than ever before, combining traditional reliability with cutting-edge technology for the best possible driving experience.